everyone, it is Hannah from Journey with the Gingers, and today we are taking you on a tour of the Hard Rock Hotel here at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. Before we begin, we would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. We post videos every time we travel, and we love providing you with helpful tips and tricks when it comes to traveling. Now, let's get started with the tour of the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando, Florida. As you pull up to the front of the hotel, you are greeted by luggage services, and you have the option to valet or self-park your car. Now, as of January 2022, if you are an overnight guest, valet services is $37 per night and self-parking is $28 per night. Now, once you enter the lobby, you will see that the check-in and guest services desk is to your right, and if you turn to your left, that is going to be the luggage services desk. They can assist you with taking your suitcases and belongings to your hotel room, and you can also request that they store your luggage if your room is not yet ready, or if you've already checked out of your room but you still want to explore the Universal Orlando Resort. Towards the back of the lobby is a nice seating area, and on some nights they have live music. And if we turn to the right, this is where the Velvet Bar is located. The Velvet Bar is a very relaxing place to grab a quick cocktail. It is located right alongside the back of the lobby, and it is adorned with amazing music memorabilia. You just need to look at all of the walls in the Hard Rock Hotel, because basically you're in a museum of music history at the Hard Rock Hotel. Another thing about the lobby is that it serves as the venue for the Velvet Unplugged sessions. Now, these sessions are intimate / small scale rock shows that host up and coming and also well-known stars. Some of the heavy hitters that have performed at the Velvet sessions are stars like Eddie Money and Bret Michaels. On the same side as luggage services, but in the middle of the lobby, is the Rock Shop. Now, the Rock Shop is a pretty awesome store. Of course, they have hard rock souvenirs, snacks, drinks, health and wellness stuff, even guitar strings. But the coolest thing about this store are all of the guitars that are on display. I mean, look, they even have Gene Simmons' bass that is shaped like an axe, and it's signed. Isn't that so cool? Now, outside of the Rock Shop and to the right are the elevators that take guests to their hotel rooms. Now, I'm going to briefly hand it over to my mother, Laurie, who is the other half of Journey with the Gingers, and she's going to give you a room tour.
So this is the view when you first walk into your room. This is a double queen standard room at the Hard Rock. The first thing you see when you walk in is a closet. Sorry, it's very dark right here in the hallway. You have some hangers. You have some little fluffy zebra hangers if you want to hang up something nice. You also have an iron, a little luggage rack, which you can't hardly see because it's kind of dark. There it is. And an ironing board. Next, when you walk in, you have a little station for your beverages. There's some water that's available. Of course, it is $7.50 a bottle. But we brought our own water, but it's available. There's also an ice bucket and a Keurig. And the Keurig has some creamer, some coffees, some cups, and some sweetener. And we brought our own sweetener because we prefer Splenda, and we also brought our own K-cups because we like certain flavors. So below the Keurig is a cabinet, and in the cabinet there is a refrigerator, a little mini fridge. Oop, you open it from that side. And we'll put some water in there just to keep it cool. The bathroom is really neat because you have a separate sink area outside of the bathroom area that has the tub and the toilet and all that. And at this area is a large vanity. And at the vanity they provide you with a little bar of soap, your little washcloth, some lotion, a shower cap. And you even have a little container that has some cotton balls, cups, and tissues shaped like a little flower. And you also have a mirror. There's my camera. But you also have a close-up mirror for shaving or doing makeup. Then there's a nice large lit mirror above the sink And on the wall, this awesome piece of artwork is actually a set of drumsticks. Now the separate bathroom area also has another sink and a mirror. Very nice. Of course, you have a toilet and your towels. And you have a tub and a shower. Also with the tub, you have some shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner provided by the hotel. Walking into the sleeping area, excuse all the stuff to the right. That's the stuff we just brought in all our luggage and our own bottled water because we didn't want to pay $7.50 for a bottle of water. But we have 2 queen-size beds. And just look at the pillows. Be nice. And quiet, please. I guess after a long day of traveling, I need to sleep with this pillow. Be nice. For the headboards for the beds, you have like a fabric headboard. Also, each headboard has a little reading light, which is very nice. We have 4 sleeping pillows on each bed, along with the decorative pillows. You also have little lamps beside the beds. And then you share a table, a bedside table, and on the bedside table is an alarm clock, some hand sanitizer, you do have an outlet, and a USB plug, and a telephone. And then you have some drawers and a nightstand. It might be hard to pick up on camera, but this mirror, full-size mirror, is really cool because it tells you, you measure your height, and then you see how tall you are compared to other rock stars and music stars. And I am as tall as Pat Benatar and Dolly Parton. That's great company, I say. We have a large television with the remote and the little baggie for safety, and a large dresser with drawers. And this is pretty cool. It's kind of like a little bar here with some chairs, and above it, it looks like artwork with speakers. Love that. And more plugs, a USB, so we'll have plenty of places to charge all of our stuff. And then by the bed, there's a small table, it looks like a comfy chair, another lamp, and it's nighttime, but we have the lovely view of a parking lot right now, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. This is a double queen standard room at Hard Rock at Universal Studios.
Thank you, Mom, for that wonderful room tour. Now we are back at the Rock Shop, and we are going to head to the back of the lobby towards the rotunda with the staircase. Now at the bottom of the stairs is the quick service spot for the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando. It is called Emach and Bolio's Marketplace. They serve Starbucks coffee, Boston's famous Emach and Bolio's ice cream, breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals, and snacks and drinks. And they also have ready-to-go cocktails as well. We are going to head out of the Emach and Bolio's Marketplace and go towards the back of the rotunda. This exit leads us to the pool at the Hard Rock. Also, just a heads up, it's magically about to become daytime, so poof, daytime. The pool is 12,000 square feet and is heated. The coolest thing about this pool is that there is an underwater speaker system that plays music, so you can listen to some awesome music while swimming. On the side of the pool is the Beach Club, a restaurant and bar that has a large assortment of cocktails and serves food like nachos and ribs. You are able to rent cabanas at the Hard Rock Pool. The cabanas include a plasma TV, a refrigerator, some drinks included, and a server to bring you some cocktails while you enjoy the pool. In addition to the pool, the area includes hot tubs, a volleyball court, and a water slide. We are back in the rotunda and it is magically nighttime again. To the right of Emach and Bolio's are the elevators, and to the right of the elevators is the walkway to the water taxi, shuttle bus, and walking path. To be honest, we never took the shuttle bus even once. Never did it. The walking path only took 5 minutes to get from the hotel to the entrance of Universal Studios. The water taxi takes you from the hotel into City Walk and is a bit longer than the walking path, but it is a very relaxing experience. Our advice is, if you are able to, we recommend taking the walking path. It is the shortest way to get to the park from the Hard Rock Hotel. Heading back into the hotel from the shuttle bus and water taxi area, we're going into the rotunda again. To the left of Emach and Bolio's is the walkway to get to one of the restaurants on property called The Kitchen. The Kitchen serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now let's hop back into the lobby next to the Velvet Bar. We are going to walk past the entrance to the Velvet Bar and head towards the hallway on the left. This hallway is where the ballrooms are located for special events. Now, if you were to pass the Velvet Bar entrance and Lady Gaga's dress and head to the hallway on the right, then you would be heading to another restaurant on property called the Palm Restaurant. Now that we're back at the center of the lobby, I thought I should tell you about the biggest perk to staying at the Hard Rock Hotel. The biggest perk is that guests that stay here receive an unlimited express pass each day during the entirety of their stay. The other two hotels that provide this perk for the Universal Studios Orlando Resort are the Loews Royal Pacific Hotel and the Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. Express passes allow you to bypass long lines at most attractions at the Universal Studios Resort. The attractions that the express passes are not good for as of January 2022 are Pterodon Flyers, Jurassic World Velocicoaster, and Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Well, this is the end of our video. I hope that you found this video helpful when planning your trip to Universal Studios, and please consider watching our other Universal Studios vlogs. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to journey on. Bye!